what's frustrating? You clean your pool and your surface still looks dirty. Leaves, bugs, pollen, just floating there, right? Now, most pool robots don't even touch that, but this one does. And it might completely replace how you clean your pool. This is the Beatbot Sora 70. And what makes this different right away, it is not just a pool cleaner. It's a full system. It does surface, walls, waterline, floor, and even platforms. And the biggest thing, it's one of the only robots in this price range that actually includes real surface cleaning built in. Alright, let's start with the biggest feature here. This is called the JetPulse surface cleaning. And this is honestly what changes everything. Now here's the problem with normal robots, right? When they move forward, they push water to the sides. And the debris, it just escapes. So they end up chasing leaves instead of capturing them. This fixes that. You've got twin jets on both sides and they create 4 water streams. The inner jets pull the water and debris toward the center suction. The outer jets create barriers so nothing escapes out of the side. So instead of pushing debris away, it traps it. You'll literally see leaves getting funneled in, bugs getting pulled straight in the intake, and pollen not escaping. It's way more efficient, fewer passes, faster cleaning, and way less missed debris. Now let's talk about coverage, because this is another big one. This is a true 4-in-1 cleaner. Surface, walls, waterline, and floor. But what really separates it is platform cleaning. This can clean shallow areas down to 20 centimeters, about 8 inches, platforms at least 1 meter by 1 meter, and that's something most robots can't even do. And that matters because those shallow ledges, that's where algae usually starts. And instead of you manually scrubbing steps, this detects the height, transitions smoothly, and cleans it automatically using ultrasonic sensors. So you're not just cleaning the pool, you're preventing problems before they even start. Now let's talk power. This thing runs 6800 GPH suction, and you'll notice it right away. You can throw in fine sand, large leaves, even heavier debris, and it picks it up in one pass. It's not just moving debris around, it's actually removing it. This also got a wide intake, dual brushes, and a bottom hugging design. So it stays in contact with the surface and cleans it properly. Now I think this next feature is the smartest feature. When it's done cleaning, or when the battery drops below 12%, the robot automatically rises to the surface and moves to the nearest pool edge. Then it drains water for about 3 minutes, so it's lighter and easier to grab. You don't need any poles, you don't need to fish, no heavy lifting as well. Now here's a little nice detail. If you don't pick it up within 20 minutes, it goes into energy saving mode and just drifts. But anytime you can open the app and hit park and it'll come right back to the edge, which is amazing. Now battery life is strong here as well. You're getting up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, 7 hours of surface cleaning, and I think that's enough to clean pools up to 3,200 square feet in one go. So you're not dealing with mid-clean stops, recharging halfway through, or like that incomplete cycles. Just drop it in and let it do everything. Now inside, you've also got a big debris basket, which is 6 liters. That's significantly larger than most cleaners. So even during heavy debris seasons, you're good to go. You don't have to stop and empty it. It also uses a standard filter for leaves and debris, an optional ultra-fine filter for polishing the water, so you can switch depending on your pool condition. Now the app is actually really useful here. In the app, there's 6 cleaning modes, real-time tracking, and manual control. You can literally drive it around like an RC boat so that you can target those problem areas. Plus, one-touch retrieval as well, OTA updates, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So it's not just automated, it's controllable when you need it to be. Now after testing this across everything, surface, walls, floor, and platforms as well, this feels like a complete system. Now you don't have to check on it constantly, you're not cleaning after it, you're just letting it run and it handles the pool, which is amazing. Now in this price range around 1200 to 1500, most robots don't clean the surface, don't handle the platforms, and need extra tools. But with this, you're getting true surface cleaning, platform cleaning, strong suction, and full app control, all in one unit. And I think that's what makes this stand out. Now what's the verdict here? Is it cheap? Of course not, right? But it's one of those upgrades where you're buying back your time. No more re-cleaning, no more missed spots, no more manual scrubbing. And it comes with a standard 3-year warranty as well, which gives some peace of mind long term. If you want something that actually handles your entire pool, this is one of the most complete options you can get right now. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new robot pool cleaner. Again, if you want to ask me any questions, I'll see you in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. I also started a new group that you can join and ask me any questions there. I also have monthly updates, things that you should buy, things that you should wait or skip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.